Okay, here's a quick demo of all the stuff that's new in Heavy Paint. So first we've got this little color box. You can move it around. You can resize it however you want. You can start painting. We have an eyedropper here. Pretty self-explanatory. We have different color modes if in case you like HSB, RGB, lab, whatever. Um, and then on the left here is the color jitter slider. This one controls how much of this noise jitter you get with the colors. And you can turn it all the way off. And then this is size over here. There's some extra controls down here for layers, transform, undo, obviously. You can also use 2-finger tap for undo on mobile and 3-finger tap for redo. Up here is kind of a tilt control. This is more useful if you don't have a pen that has tilt already built in. Usually I just leave this at default, but you can adjust the tilt of your tool. Alright, another thing here, one more note in this color box is we have a negative saturation. This one's a bit strange, but it means that you can go from warm to cool. This gives you the complementary color of the currently selected color. Nice for sky tones, and then warm ground tones or whatever like that. And then we have combine sidebar. This will get all the controls over here and stick them into this movable panel. This is nice. I've been trying this working like this lately, and it feels good to have all your controls on hand, really close by. Um, and then you can also close this if you don't want it. Up here at the top, we have different tools like oil, rake, um, fan. It's a classic one. Fan oil. And all of these tools, they have a bunch of settings in here, which I'll let you figure out, but basically you can control the texture and the distortion and it's actually pretty in-depth, but you gotta play around with it to see what it does. Okay, and then um, also with this, let's say for example we are on the fan tool or fan oil. Okay, so now we're getting color, right? But we can also change to blur mode here on the top, and this will try to blend it together. It's kind of a noisy blend. And then there's also this one called blend mode. That this one's easier to see if we have like for example like a line tool here. So if I start from one side and go to the other side, it should blend between those two colors. And let me turn off color jitter right now to demonstrate this. So here, let me turn this off again, and I'll put down two colors, right? And then I go back to the blend mode, and I can blend between those two colors like that. So I use this for gradients and stuff like that. It works with different tools in different ways. For example, with fan, kind of goes from the outside in, and then with rectangle, it goes from the bottom to the top. Okay, and then we have, erase is pretty self-explanatory. You also, in our layer options, there is now a background color, which you can just, whatever our currently selected color is, When I hit this, it's going to turn that color. So let's say I'm on pink. Now the background is pink. Or if I go to blue, now the background is blue. Okay, and then, all right, let me close that. We have a gallery now also. You can click into here and it will show the gallery. Let me get out of here. You can go up here to resize, type in your number, or just drag it around and then hit resize. Okay, and then we also have replay, like that, and then you can skip to different areas, and you can also click on MP4 and that will give you a little video. Let me try that again. Is it too short? Okay, there we go. So now it exported a little movie, right? Okay, and then there's some more settings over here. There's different UI modes. You can change this to minimal. This one's good for phones. Um, it's just a more compact version. You can drag on this for color jitter. You can drag on this for size. And you can also drag on this for hue and value. Or click on it to open up this little control panel. Let me turn off the negative saturation. Right, so yeah, this is a nice way to work. Also, um, I'm still not sure which is the best for default, but yeah. Anyway, transform controls are down here. You can do like this, move it around, flip it, and reset it. And then we have UI size here. You can customize a bunch of stuff in here, but I'm not going to get into that. There's more menus, um, like color swatches and blah blah blah. You have autosaves here. But that's the basics of it. I hope you enjoy playing with Heavy Paint. Oh, one more thing. You can drag on this to change your value up and down and hue left and right. All right. Have fun painting. Hope to see you out there in the wild. And have a good one. Bye.